what you heard about me.
The main type of tax associated with real estate is property taxes. Property taxes are taxes levied by local governments on the value of real estate property within their jurisdiction. The rate of taxation and the tax base for real estate are determined by local law and also depend on the value of the property. Sales tax may also be assessed when real estate is purchased. In addition, in almost every state in the United States there is a tax known as a use tax or transfer tax that may be levied when real estate is sold, transferred, or leased.
In many jurisdictions, taxes may also be due on the income generated from owning real estate. For example, rental income from an investment property or the gains from selling a property may be taxed.
Owners of real estate may also be eligible for tax credits. Some states offer tax credits for energy-efficient upgrades to real estate, and other states offer credits or deductions for historic preservation costs.
Tax filers must report the relevant information about their real estate transactions on their annual tax returns. It is important to understand the filing requirements, as not following them could result in costly penalties. The United States has a different property tax system in each state and locality. The amount and types of taxes vary widely, so it's important to consider which state or locality one lives in. In 2023, the property taxes in any given town or city will depend on several factors, such as the appraised value of a home, the rate of property tax in the area, and any exemptions that may apply.
Some areas may see property tax increases in 2023, which may be influenced by economic factors such as inflation, population growth, and development trends.
In some places, relief for property tax bills may be available to qualified individuals in the form of tax breaks or other discounts.
Property taxes are generally deductible on federal income taxes. However, they may only be partially deductible in some cases. Additionally, some tax credits are available to reduce taxes for certain types of properties. State laws vary on the issue of property taxes and can exempt certain individuals or types of properties from paying taxes. These laws may also limit the amount of tax that can be deducted for individuals or businesses.
Income level, property type, and state law all influence how much property tax can be deducted. Property tax deductions are not available to everyone, and may be limited if the income level is higher than the standards in the specific jurisdiction. Depending on where someone lives, they may be eligible for a real estate tax credit. This type of credit reduces the amount of property tax owed, and can be used by individuals or businesses.
The real estate market in Dallas is set to see an increase in prices. This is due to job growth and a lack of inventory.
Looking into the future, experts expect the real estate prices to continue to increase as demand continues to outpace supply.
The high demand for the homes in the area has caused prices to rise significantly.
These conditions have attracted many investors to the area, driving up prices further.
Will Dallas, Texas real estate prices drop? It is possible that prices may drop due to the current climate. Real estate experts are predicting declining prices due to unusually low inventory levels and shifts in economic and employment trends.
By carefully analyzing economic trends, it is possible to get a better idea of the future direction of real estate prices in Dallas. Job growth, home prices, renting activity, and other factors can be indicators of future price changes.
Housing markets are cyclical and often move in waves. Prices will likely drop for some areas, while other areas may see a slight increase. Depending on the area, the dropping prices may be marginal or more significant.
Only time will tell for sure if real estate prices in Dallas will drop. It's important to factor in all available information when making a decision, whether buying, selling, or just keeping an eye out for changes.
Property taxes are taxes paid by taxpayers on their real and personal property used for business and residential purposes. Real estate taxes are taxes imposed on land and the buildings or structures on it, and are often paid by the property's owner.
Property taxes are calculated by local governments that assess the value of the property and charge taxes based on that value. Real estate taxes, on the other hand, are assessed and collected by local governments for the purpose of funding public services. Property taxes are typically reassessed at least once a year. Local governments consider factors such as inflation, assessed value, market value, local taxes, and existing exemptions when assessing taxes on property. Property taxes are levied on all kinds of property, from land and buildings to furniture and cars. Real estate taxes are more specific and only apply to land and buildings.
Property taxes are collected in one lump sum at closing. Real estate taxes, however, are a separate levy on the property and may be collected monthly or annually. Property taxes, as well as real estate taxes, are used to fund local governments. Generally, local governments use the revenue generated by property taxes for services such as public safety, infrastructure projects, and educational programs.
Before looking to pay less property tax, know the basics of legal requirements in your area. Each state has distinct tax considerations that all property owners have to abide by. Investment in a few hours of research pays off over the years in property tax savings.
Local authorities determine the assessed value of property, which often doesn't tie into its market value. If you believe the assessment is too high for your property, contact your local assessor's office to challenge your assessment and for a possible tax reduction.
Many areas have breaks on property taxes for those who qualify, such as veterans, the elderly, or those with disabilities. If you fit the criteria, you could save a substantial sum on your property taxes. Check with your local assessor's office or county administration to learn about any available tax breaks.
Make sure to document any expenses made to your property, such as renovations and repairs. These are likely to have lowered the value of your detailed assessment, meaning you may not be taxed on them. Ask for your provisional tax assessment to include such costs and for you to receive a tax break for it.
Depending on the complexity of your assessment, it may be wise to enlist the help of a legal or tax professional to review your case. They will be up to date on the latest tax laws in your area and can determine how to best minimize your tax bill with the available loopholes.
One of the premier real estate groups in the area, MANP offers the best in real estate market expertise and personalized services for clients of all sizes.
Whether buying or selling, MANP offers complimentary consultations to help potential clients gain an understanding of the process and decide if it's the right fit for them.
MANP professionals have extensive experience and knowledge of the local market. This helps clients make informed decisions and develop a plan that's right for them.
As buyer's agents, MANP Real Estate Group advocates for clients, helping them find the best properties in the right locations. As seller's agents, MANP will get the job done in an efficient and cost-effective manner, ensuring smooth transitions and positive outcomes. For clients who want to learn more about MANP services, the team offers free consultations, so don't hesitate to reach out and get started. Online real estate in Dallas, Texas, USA, is a highly profitable market that the MANP team can help you break into. We offer support, new tools and strategies, and the best advice for you to get the most out of your investment.
We make every effort to make the process as easy and friendly for new users as possible. All our tools, support, and advice is designed to help you achieve maximum returns quickly and easily.
When you invest through MANP, you can make higher returns than other opportunities in the same market, thanks to our advice, tools, and strategies.
We have an ever-growing network of professionals and fellow real estate investors that you can join and make use of. You can use this network to stay informed and make use of collective wisdom.